Dear students, today we see about 8th standard social science. The first lesson is rocks and soil. Introduction. The earth is composed of a lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. The four realms of earth, the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere and biosphere. The lithosphere is called the outermost solid layer of the earth that is composed of rocks and soil is known as lithosphere. The lithosphere is called the sphere of rock, the uppermost layer of the earth. It also called the crust of earth. The earth crust is called composed to rocks. The rocks to study about petrology. The petrology, the word derived from Petrus is means rocks and locos is means study. So the petrology is a study of rocks. We see rocks in everywhere in mountains and rivers and historical monuments and houses made from rocks. The rocks are the solid minerals. Rocks is an aggregate of one or more minerals. Aggregate means collection or composition of minerals. The mineral means bauxite and natural gas and iron ore is called minerals. The minerals are chemical substance which exists in nature. It may be hot or soft in nature. So variety of color and composition of colors and composition of style and modification of rocks. So made from the wood and the made from the rocks in grainy rocks is used to houses. The rocks are combination of different kinds of minerals. They occur in many varieties and color and many shapes and styles. We see the picture. The rocks are different colors. The classification of rocks is based on the formation into three types. The first one is igneous rocks. The second one is the sedimentary rocks. The third one is the metamorphic rocks. The igneous rocks formed by the saltification of molten magma, also called the primary rocks or parent rocks, because all other rocks formed from these rocks. The igneous rocks are known as primary rocks or parent rocks because all other rocks are formed directly or indirectly from these rocks. It is formed into magma and lava. When the volcano bursts out, the magma will comes out. The hot magma is called lava. After the lava gets solidified in cools and turns into solid forms is called igneous rocks. The igneous rocks characterized by very cooled magma is called igneous rocks. We see the picture, the upper down the picture, the cooled magma is called igneous rocks. The characteristics of igneous rocks in hot in nature is impermeable and do not contain fossils. Fossils means decomposition of dead plants or dead animals. The useful for construction works means made from a house and are made from construction buildings and monuments. The igneous rocks is the oldest rocks in everywhere. So important rocks in constructions. There are two types of igneous rocks. The first one extrusive igneous rocks. Second one is intrusive igneous rocks. The extrusive igneous rocks is called can you visualize from the lava comes down from a volcano. The lava is actually a fiery red molten magma comes out from the earth on its surface. After the reading the surface, the molten magma get solidified and form rocks. The new form of rocks in such a way on the crust are called extrusive igneous rocks. These rocks are finely grained. In nature of rocks in India is a example for this type of rocks. We see the picture. The extrusive igneous rocks cool quickly. As a result, these rocks are fine grained or lack of crystal growth. We see second type of rocks. The intrusive igneous rocks is called the molten magma sometimes cools down deep inside the earth crust and becomes called intrusive igneous rocks. It cools down slowly, They form large grains rock composed or exposed when the lava cools down, slowly stratified into rock that is called a intrusive igneous rocks. We see the picture. The intrusive igneous rocks formed from the magma that cools down slowly, and as a result these rocks are coarse grained. We see this picture of the excessive and intrusive, the types of igneous rocks. The sedimentary rocks is a second type. The word sedimentary is derived from Latin word sedimentum, means settling down. Formed by the sediments derived from the deposits of various agents in winds and air is called a sedimentary rock. The word sedimentary is a settling by some like rivers and wind, etc. The sedimentary rocks consists of many layers which were formed by sediments of different periods. It consists of many layers and strain are also known as stratified rocks. The strata is means a layer is considered known as stratified rock. The sedimentary rocks are important rocks of natural resources like coals, oil and natural gas is called a sedimentary rocks. The coal and the natural gas of is used to sedimentary rocks. The sedimentary rocks, we see the picture. Formation of sedimentary rocks. The particles carried by water or wind loosely packed sediments to deposit on sediment densely packed sediments. The sediments is also called rocks in small particles. It's also sedimentary rocks. The characteristics of sedimentary rocks is also the important rocks of natural resources. So they have many layers. They are non-crystalline rocks. They contain fossils. Fossil means decomposition of dead animals and plants. They are soft and get eroded easily. The soft rocks is called sedimentary rocks. The sedimentary rocks into three types. The first one is the organic sedimentary rocks. The decomposition of dead plants and animals. It contains fossils called organic sedimentary rocks. The mechanical sedimentary rocks are formed by disintegration of igneous and metamorphic rocks called mechanical sedimentary rocks. The erode and transport these rocks deposit them at same place. Chemical or sedimentary rocks, the precipitating or evaporation is called chemical sedimentary rocks. The word metamorphic rock is derived from Greek words the meta and morpha. The meta means change and morpha means shape. When igneous and sedimentary rocks subject to high temperature and pressure get the original rocks are altered or change in new form of rock is called a metamorphic rock. There are two types of rock. The first one is a thermal metamorphic rock. The second one is a dynamic metamorphic rock. If the process change in the rocks mainly cased high temperature is called a thermal metamorphic rock. If the process of change mainly cased by high pressure is called a dynamic metamorphic rock. We see the picture metamorphic rocks in different shapes and styles. We see the rock cycle picture. The process of rock cycle, the igneous rocks and heat and pressure so formed and breakdown of small pieces of rocks is called a sedimentary rocks. The sedimentary rocks and igneous rocks combine to the metamorphic rocks. The metamorphic rocks is a cool down of applied surface magma is a heat and increased pressure and cool down the pressure is called a igneous rocks. We see the process. The process of transformation of rocks from one form to another form is known as the rock cycle. The metamorphic rocks where heat and pressure break down and form hot lava. This hot magma and lava, then again cools down and forms into igneous rocks. It was broke down into small particles which are deposed called sedimentary rocks. The igneous and sedimentary rocks are subject to very heat and pressure. They change into metamorphic rock. After that, again the circle it will again repeated in rock cycle. Igneous rocks cools down. The new form of igneous rocks was exposed to the cycle of rock cycle. Some mankind uses of daily life in uses of rocks. We see the collection of rocks. The kitchen, some kitchen counters are made from rocks. The kids collection of rocks are good for play. The pencil, the lead in pencil made the special rock is a graphite. The chalk also made from rocks. The path of walk, garden paths can be walked from rocks. The house and bricks. The house and bricks are made from rocks. The wood made of rocks. The ceramics. The ceramic dishes are made from clay, which is kind of rocks. Even roads are made from rocks. The ornaments like made from rocks like diamond and gold turquoise is called made from rocks. The king's sand making. The sand kills built by castles actually play from rocks. The glass and the statue is made from mountain is also rocks. The glass, if you melt by castles, actually shape it, you can make a glass is a rocks. Sidewalks are made from concrete, which made from also rocks. We see the evaluation. Dear children, give a separate notebook and write it down. Dear students, you are expected to write it down the lessons from the video into a separate notebook. Please mark down all the important points of this topic. In case you have any doubt, kindly note it down. On the day of reopening, those doubts shall be clarified.